friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine watching the videos. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share. So today I am going to make pumpkin saag. You can see this is pumpkin saag. I have cut it up like this. So I am going to make this recipe. So while making, I will show you what all I am going to use. This is a Bengali recipe. So come on, let us start. Put some mustard oil. I have taken some pachforan that I am going to use today. Put this pachforan in the oil. Put in the pumpkin saag. I have taken black mustard, one big red chili, dried up one, and some garlic. I have made a paste out of that. Now I am going to put this paste in this saag. Put little bit saffron. Put some salt. This pumpkin saag takes time to cook, so I will add some water to it and let it cook, and then fry it with the masala which I have put in. So we'll leave water, but I have put some more water because it takes time to cook. Once the water dries up, I will fry the saag and the masalas nicely. The saag and the masala is fried well. Bengali recipe pumpkin saag is ready to be eaten. See how delicious it's looking, yummy. Thank you for watching my video.